A very good morning to all of you, fifth class students here. Students, we are going to study about the fourth chapter, houses all around. So, just we will take a read on houses all around. Razia lives in Srinagar. Her house has a fireplace and sloping roof. Bhanwar Singh lives in Jaisalmer. His house has a flat roof and thick walls. In Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, houses are mostly made of wood and bamboo. In some places where it rains a lot, houses are built on stilts. Why do you think these houses are so different from each other? There are three main factors which determine the type of houses we build. These factor includes the climate of the place. First, the climate of the place. Second one, the materials to be used. And third one is the budget available to us. Listen it again. There are three main factors which determines the type of house we build. These factors include the climate of the place, the materials to be used, and the budget available to us. Climate. What do you understand by climate? In places where the climate is hot, houses have thick walls and flat roofs. Thick walls keep the inside of the house cool. Flat roofs can be used by people for sleeping outdoors. In places where it rains a lot and the climate is hot and damp, houses are often built on stilts. These houses, built a few feet above the ground on raised platforms, remain safe from floods. The sloping roofs of houses on hills do not allow rainwater or snow to collect and make the houses damp and cold. Most houses in cold areas have fireplaces to keep the inside of the house warm. Come on the next building material. What do you understand by building materials? Bricks and stones keep a house cool in hot weather. Houses in hilly areas need to be built easily and quickly. Therefore, houses here are built of bamboos and wood. In those places which have frequent earthquakes, houses are mostly built of wood. There is less damage if they collapse. Mud, bamboo, and palm leaves are used to make kacha house called huts. These building material are cheap and easily available. Some other common building materials are concrete, glass, iron, and thatch. Budget. The money available or budget is the third factor which determines the size and design of house. Listen it again. The money available or the budget is the third factor which determines the size and design of a house. Less money is needed to build a small hut. On the other hand, lakhs of rupees are needed to build a permanent house. In big cities where there is a shortage of space, people build high rise buildings. Sometimes they form cooperative housing societies to save on space and money. So students, I hope you all have understood each and every topics. uh, Please learn, and whatever we have studied today, revise all, take a reading on each and every topics. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Have a nice day.